Dave Markarian, inventor of the MyVision Dynorama. I'm showing you how to replace the front end. All right, pretty simple. You get a screwdriver with it, so you put the screwdriver in, remove the screw gently, and then make sure to put it, sometimes I'll put a plate underneath or some little bowl so it drops in it. There we go. Put it down on the side. All right, now this just comes off. You just simply, it's like a shaver head. You're going to pull this out gently. You can really grab it from the sides here. Just sort of pull it out slowly. This is going to, full thing's going to be replaced. So we got it out. This is the top, the little tab. Put it aside. We get the new one, and you can see there's the top part here. That matches up with the part here. And these just go together. You gently put them together. You'll see they actually connect up. Once you get them connected up, you just sort of squeeze them together gently. They'll go in on their own. You got it right. If you don't have it right, pull it out and try it again. Again, this little tab goes at the top. There we go. Just slipped in, and that's it. You don't have to force it. Okay, getting the screw in. There's an easy way, and there's a not as easy way. One way you can do it, you take the screw, you can put it on the screwdriver. It's not a magnetic screw. So hold it this way. You can go upright with it, put it in like that. Or there's another cool way, and this applies to all kinds of cool things. You take the sticky side, which is here, and then you put the screw through the sticky side. You don't have to use a screwdriver to do it. Get a little hole. Once you get a little hole like that, you end up wrapping the tape around the screwdriver. It's a clever trick you can use for all kinds of things. Then you just simply, you want to make sure these are even, so put a little bit of pressure on this. You could put it down if you want to, this way. And then you put the screw in here. Screw it in. Yeah, this is a really good way to do it. And once you feel that it's in pretty well, you don't have to tighten it too much. I pull back and the tape comes off. There you go. And you can finish. Now it's just hand tight. So very little. There's not a lot of need for tremendous pressure here. And this stays in on its own anyways, pretty much. That's it.